Hello, little hands. We learn about the different types of animals, right? Farm animals, wild animals, then water animals, birds, insects, and where they live, their homes. We learn about their food, what they eat. Now let's learn how they used for us, how they useful for us. Okay?
Hello friends, I have come to a farm today. There are so many animals here. Look, there are hens, cows, bulls. All these animals are useful to us. Do you want to know how they help us? Friends, look, these are hens. They help us in many ways. Hens gives us eggs and meat. Now, look at these animals. Can you guess their name? That's right. They are sheep. Sheep are useful to us too. The hair of a sheep is removed and from this hair, wool is made. Wool is used to make sweaters, shawls and mufflers. Don't you wear woolen clothes in winter to keep you warm? Hey look, there are goats on this farm too. We get meat from goats. Did you know that? Who is that near the barn? Donkeys. Look at them carrying a heavy load on their back. Have you ever seen a donkey carrying load? Friends, now take a look at these cows. They are also very useful to us. Cow gives us milk. Drinking milk every day makes us healthy, taller, and stronger. Do you drink milk every day? Do you know what animal this is? This is a boy cow, known also as bull. You know, bulls are very useful to farmers. They use bulls to plow their fields. What's that loud sound? Did you hear it? Oh, it's a dog barking. Dogs bark and tell us that someone has come. This is how dogs guard our homes and help us. Hey, look at those horses now. They also help us in many ways. Horses are used to carry load. They also take us from one place to another. Ouch! That was a bee buzzing near my ear. Did you know that bees are also useful to us? Bees give us honey. It is good for our health. Do you eat honey? Friends, we have just seen how animals help us. Okay, friends, I must go now. Goodbye.
Here we just saw the uses of animals. See, here is the hen. Hen, what is the use of hen? It, hen gives us eggs and meat. We eat chicken, so here we get chicken from this meat of the hen. Here is the sheep. From sheep we get wool. This hair is the wool part. So here we get wool. Here is the cow who gives us milk. And the honey bee gives us honey. Here from fish and goat, what we get? Meat. Here donkey carries the load. He helps us to carry the load. Here is the load on his back. Here, just like donkey, horse is also carrying the load and also carry the people from one place to another place. Here is the dog who guards our home, who keeps safe us at home. So here is the dog who helps us to guard our home. And here are the bulls. These bulls helps to plough the field. शेती करण्यासाठी बैलांचा उपयोग होतो. So bulls helps to plough the field. Right? Understood the help which gets from the animals? Now here what you see, this side animals are there, and here from these animals what we get, we have to match the animal with their, by how they are useful to the things from we get from them. You have to match by drawing the lines, as well as you have to write each animal's name under the on these lines. You have to write, what is it? That means hen. So write here hen. Here is bull. So write here bull. Then here bee. Bee. Goat. So write here goat. Sheep. So write here sheep. As well as what we get these things. So write that thing's name. That means this is a meat, wool, egg, milk, honey, and then match it. So let's first match the animals with their things. Here is the hen. So from hen what we get? Egg. So match this with the egg, right? Next is, it's not a bull, it's a cow. It's a cow. So from cow what we get? What we get from cow? Yes, milk. So here we will match to milk. Then here is bee. Bee, honeybee. Honeybee gives us honey. So here from honeybee to honey. Now goat. From goat what we get? Meat. And from sheep, from the sheep's hair, that means we get from sheep's hair wool. So here we matched. Understand? Now let's write the names of each things, each pictures below that. So this way you have to write the names of the animals and the things we get from that animal. Understand? So this way the animals are useful to us.